Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we are going to study Eliza, a general problem solver algorithm. Eliza is actually an algorithm that is used for the purpose of chatbot, and it was firstly designed by Joseph Wisbaum in 1966. It is actually dependent upon a pattern matching technique. That means to reply to a questions, some keywords from the question are matched against the string stored in the database, and that way a similar response is generated to a question. But first time it was created using the sleep list processing language. The data that is used for the very first time was actually medical data, and actually it was about psychotherapy data, where the knowledge of the real world problem was used, and the program was made to communicate with humans, with patients that are suffering with psychotherapy problems. Sometimes the machine was able to communicate so good that even those patients were emotionally involved with the program to communicate with program. But after some time, since the program lacked its intelligent behavior, they understood that it is not a human, and the interest was gone. But still, Eliza is considered to be a milestone because it provides human and machine first time a platform to communicate with each other, or you can say it's the first human machine interaction platform. Eliza actually required knowledge of three different domains to work properly. First of them is AI, artificial intelligence, and then we have expert system and natural language processing. The first two of them actually are artificial intelligence and expert system. Number second and third are part of the first one actually, but now we can consider them as a separate field, and they are emerging very fastly. Ariza program actually we cannot say that it is was an intelligent program, but it was good in doing pattern matching, and based on some rules, some facts, was responding to humans in a very efficient manner. The rules there, as I mentioned earlier, were indexed by keyword. So firstly, the Eliza looked for some keywords in the question, and based on those keywords, identify the relevant answer from the stored database. It is a chatterbot that is used for smart communication between human and, you can say, between machine. The basic purpose of this chatterbot was to fool humans, so that humans don't understand that the other one talking to them on other side is not a machine but is a human. It is same what was the actually the philosophy behind the creation of Turing machines, and that Turing test was all about this. Here, program play the role sometimes referred to as artificial conversation intelligence. However, now especially those chatterbot programs are practically used, especially for providing customer with online help. It is used by banks, used by mobile companies, by different online shopping companies, and so on. From that time, the design of Eliza was copied and copied again and again. You see, it was created in 1966, but even now the new Chatterbot works on the same mechanism as adapted by Eliza. For example, if Eliza found some keyword like mother in a question, Eliza can throw a question itself and ask, "Tell me about your family," because Eliza understand that now the person want to talk about his mother, or the communication is about something related to family. So this is how it was working. Sometimes it seems that it wasn't. We are providing an intelligent communication with the humans, But again, the communication should be very short, because as the communication goes more long or become wider and wider, Eliza couldn't handle a very big amount of data and can not be able to continue fool the human. So there should be small programs or small communication used between humans and machine. So this is the basic purpose of chatterbots. Here written different names of companies, they are using them, such as Lloyds Banking Group, Royal Bank of Scotland, Renault, Citroën, and many others. They provide online assistant where in place of humans, machines are working and are communicated with the customer for help. What is the malicious use of chatterbots? Well, they are frequently used to fill up the chat rooms with spam. Also, it's possible that the program asks you for some personal information or maybe bank cards, data, and can be used for the purpose of hacking personal information. Mostly it was used that time actually, especially in Yahoo Messenger, AOL, Instant Messenger, and the similar applications. Future perspective, yes, it can improve a lot. For example, we can add some cache in order to improve the speed of the Eliza chatbot communication so that the response from Eliza can be increased efficiently, which Eliza can respond. Also, it should get the capability of learning with time and experience. If the Eliza is communicating with a human, from human behavior, it should learn what type of person that is, and also can store his information and can answer to that person in an appropriate manner. Also, different graphical signs can be used, symbols can be used, such as smiley and other things, to reply to human. And it's possible also that Haliza can store different responses of human, and in case a human start contradicting himself or herself, Eliza can also contradict him. But here are example of some chatterboards, Eliza chatterboard, some communication of Eliza chatbot. Like you see here, very simple questions that Eliza is asking, and also very simple response to the questions. And sometimes the response becomes similar, and that's how human understand it is a machine that is trying to fool him. That is why communication should be limited. Also another example. So thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.